Now let's know how to use this 4 cups. Take this 4 cups, unfold it. You need to write numbers on the front side, and on the back side you need to write the characters. Now let's do it. Write the numbers in this way. Now let's write the characters on the back side. Let's choose 8 characters. Spider-Man, Batman, cat, dog, wolf, lion, fox, fish. Now fold back the 4 cups. You need to flap the 4 cups 4 times since it is called a 4 cups. Now let's play the game. In 4 cups, you need to ask the opponent the number they want and then flip the 4 cups 4 times. Now let's see how to play the game. What number do you want? 1, 2, 5, 6.
6.
S-I-X. Now what number do you want? 3, 4, 7, 8.
8.
E-I-G-H-T. What number do you want? 1, 2, 5, 6.
6.
S-I-X. What number do you want? 3, 4, 7, 8.
3.
T-H-R-E-E. What number do you want? 1, 2, 5, 6.
6.
Now let's see what character she got. Lion. Wow.
Thank you.
If you want to learn how to make this awesome 4 cups, then click in the link given above right here. Thank you.